Most buyers are told a number and assume that number is safe. But approval amounts are mathematical ceilings, not comfort recommendations. I'm Dwayne Buzayak, and one of my most important jobs is helping buyers separate what's allowed from what actually works for their real life.
What does a lender look at when approving a maximum amount?
Lenders focus on ratios. Specifically, gross income, monthly debt, debt-to-income ratio, DTI, credit profile. If the numbers fit the guidelines, approval is possible. But guidelines don't know your lifestyle, your future plans, your stress tolerance, your priorities. That's where personal strategy comes in.
Why maximum approval often leads to regret.
Many homeowners say, "I wish I bought a little less house." Not because they hate the home, but because the payment controls their life. Over-approval can mean less travel, less savings, more stress, less flexibility. As Dwayne Buzayak, I aim for sustainable ownership, not stretched budgets.
What monthly payment should buyers really focus on?
Your payment should allow you to live comfortably, save consistently, handle surprises, enjoy your home. A mortgage should support your life, not dominate it. I encourage buyers to choose payments that feel boring, not brave.
Why gross income is misleading when budgeting.
Lenders use gross income. You live on net income. Taxes, benefits, insurance, retirement, these all reduce what actually hits your bank account. Affordability should be based on take-home pay, real expenses, real goals, not spreadsheet optimism.
What expenses do buyers forget to include?
Many buyers underestimate utilities, maintenance, property taxes increases, insurance changes, HOA dues, life costs. Homes cost more than just the mortgage, and planning for that prevents regret.
How lifestyle choices impact affordability.
Two buyers with the same income can afford very different homes. Why? One travels frequently. One supports family. One values savings. One prefers flexibility. There is no universal, right number, only the right number for you. Ask yourself, will income change? Will family size change? Will expenses rise? Will priorities shift? Buying at the edge of affordability leaves no room for growth. Planning forward creates peace. Rates effect. Monthly payment. Buying power. Comfort zone. A small rate shift can change affordability significantly. That's why buyers should focus on payment stability, not just purchase price.
Why house poor happens more than buyers expect.
House poor doesn't mean broke. It means constrained. When the home consumes cash flow, energy, flexibility, life becomes smaller. Avoiding this is a strategy, not an accident. As Dwayne Buzayak, I run multiple scenarios. Stress test payments. Model future expenses. Talk through lifestyle impact. The goal isn't approval, it's alignment. Less house can mean more freedom, less stress, faster equity growth, better sleep. Bigger isn't always better. Balanced usually is. Savings provide security, flexibility, confidence. I encourage buyers to preserve reserves whenever possible. Owning a home feels different when you know you're protected.
How debt impacts real affordability.
Student loans, car payments, credit cards, these all reduce comfort. Eliminating or restructuring debt can increase buying power, improve cash flow, reduce stress. Sometimes the best move is preparation, not rushing. Common mistakes. Trusting max approval blindly. Ignoring lifestyle impact. Underestimating future costs. Chasing status instead of stability. Smart buyers choose comfort over comparison. Money decisions are tied to security, identity, fear, freedom. That's why guidance matters. This isn't math alone, it's life planning. Competitive markets create urgency. Urgency leads to emotional decisions, overbidding, overstretching. Calm strategy protects buyers from regret. Opportunity says, buy while you can. Responsibility says, buy what fits. The best decisions respect both.
What question should buyers ask instead of what's my max?
What payment lets me live the life I want? That answer changes everything. Affordability is personal. The right home is the one that fits your budget, supports your life, protects your future. If you want help finding your real number, not a generic one, I'm here. 804-212-8663. Email Dwayne at coast2coastaml.com. I'm Dwayne Buzayak, and this series exists to help you buy with confidence, clarity, and control. In episode 11, we'll break down the offer process. How to structure winning offers without overpaying.